The brothers began their road trip on BMW 320i 1970s model. They thought they'd like to start a company together doing something on the web. Finally, they had an idea about an online network for doctors. But it didn't work, they have decided. Musk had spent the earlier part of that summer in Silicon Valley, holding down a pair of internships. By day, he worked at Pinnacle Research Institute. There, he known each and everything about ultra capacitors, which are used to build laser based sidearms in the tradition of Star Wars. Do you remember the Star Wars movie? Rocket science gave Musk a flavor for what Silicon Valley had to offer, both from a talent and culture perspective. Global Link. It is a portal which is having all the data like shopping places, restaurants, hairdressers, etc. Musk did all the work of coding, and Kimball looked to ramp up the door to door sales operations. They rented a place. It's not that much good. They started to work, and they contacted no tech company to create digital maps and directions to Global Link portal. Errol Musk, the father of Elon, gave his sons $28,000. Then they took two-bedroom apartment. In 1995, they decided to hire someone to sales team. Jeff Hillman was their first recruit. Some of the fights are there always between the brothers. In early 1996, the capital firm Moore Davidoff Ventures had invested $3 million into Global Link. Then it's officially changed as Zip2. So now the Global Link transformed as Zip2. Now it's changed its strategy. Instead of selling its service door to door, Zip2 would create a software that could be sold to newspapers where they could publish their news without getting a new technology on their own. From the Zip2 experiences, the geeky, awkward kid sometimes lost his temper, transformed into confident and in control. For Elon, the word no actually doesn't exist, and he expected like that from everyone around him. All the famous newspapers signed with Zip2. Zip2 acquired a trademark for its own, that is, We Power the Press. In April 1998, Zip2 announced a big thing, that is, Zip2 merged with CitySearch in deal valued $300 million. So after that, some of the employee positions are diminished in a new company. So most of them asked that the deal should be abandoned, and Musk also did that. So the deal was cancelled in May 1998. After some days, Microsoft had mounted a charge into the same market. So the Zip2 employees worried about the competition. Then, in February 1999, the PC maker Compaq Computer suddenly offered to pay $307 million in cash for Zip2. Zip2 board accepted the deal, and More Davido had made back 20 times its original investment. Musk got $22 million and Kimball got $15 million. Musk never entertained the idea of sticking around Compaq. As soon as it was clear about the company sold, then Elon decided to work on his next project. Musk didn't work as a CEO for Zip2, so he decided to stay as CEO of his new companies. Employees at Zip2 would go home at night, come back, and find that Musk had changed their work without talking to them. Because Musk didn't like the code what his employees wrote, and he did 5 times faster than them. So finally, it's a big battle between the employees and Musk's behavior, because he is the legend. Thank you. Thank you, guys.